Thank you all very much for joining me in my spring roll adventure. I learned a lot. They turned out, appearance-wise, to look very, very nice. This is one of the ones with the pickled squid. And this is one with shrimp. Nothing left here but to bite into these babies. Let's see how they are. I'm serving it with a ponzu mixture, which is a combination of a soy sauce with a citrus. And here we go. All I can say is yum, yum, yum. The best part about spring rolls is the freshness. That mint comes through, along with the crunchiness and the taste of the seafood. It's very, very good. Very good. Let's try the shrimp. A combination of cilantro and mint, very good. Doesn't oppose each other, they work together, very good. See what kind is this? This is another one with the squid, but with the sesame leaf. It's another one with the shrimp and the green onion, mint. Good as an appetizer. Taking the place of a salad, very light. Would be very good for a nice hot day when you need something crunchy and refreshing to lift your well, you lift your inside feelings. Very good. Gonna try one more. One of the things that I hope that everyone understands is that making these spring rolls is not that hard. It's just a matter of your dexterity in wrapping. And the more and more of them that you do, the more you get used to the feeling of the rice paper and flexibility of it, what ingredients can go in, how tight to make it, and all of that. Nothing left to do but to do it. Try it. Once again, Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, joining you in my episode of Making Spring Rolls. Take care. Bye-bye.